Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So if you have a wedding coming up this year, whether you are the gorgeous bride or the proud mother of the bride, or maybe you're a guest who has to show up looking put together, this video is for you. Standard bridal makeup tutorials. Absolutely love heavy baking, massive contour, and layers of powder, right? But we know that what looks good on a 20-year-old under studio lights can really look like a mask on an older woman or a mature woman at a wedding reception who's dealing with hot weather, lots of dancing, and maybe some wedding cake. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 pro makeup tricks specifically for mature skin that will ensure you look radiant in photos and absolutely stunning in person. My model is my good friend Kiki, and we're ready to show how to look gorgeous. The big question with formal events is how to keep your makeup from running down your face and looking like a clown, right? Nobody wants to do that. So first, it's very important to hydrate your skin and then apply a primer. This is very, very crucial for keeping your makeup on. A primer gives the foundation something to adhere to and consequently makes it last longer. You can also mix your primer with foundation to make the foundation a thinner texture and still get the long-lasting benefits of the primer. Onto foundation. So full coverage foundation, in my opinion, is way too heavy on mature skin, and it's much better to use a light to medium coverage or maybe a tinted moisturizer. Using a soft brush or even just your fingers, apply a layer of foundation, layering it where you need a little bit more coverage. You want to use as little under your eye area as possible to keep that area from creasing up once you're finished. Once you're done, it's easy to see where you need a little bit more coverage and add a corrector if needed and a concealer. So based on color theory, a corrector cancels out unwanted discoloration rather than just hiding it, which prevents your under eye area from looking gray or ashy, which is, nobody wants that. And concealer is to lighten and brighten. So many of you need one or the other, but if you have a lot of darkness around your eye area, if you use both, it's kind of like magic. Eyeliner is the #1 thing you can do to open up your eyes, and it's the easiest to mess up. Either it can be too soft, it can be misplaced, or it can be too heavy and look really garish. On Kiki, I'm using a very pretty mulberry shade, and then I'm adding a soft flick at the end for a lift. The trick to liner is to get it between your lashes. By going slowly and making very short marks as you move across your eye line, you can create a thin line that gets a little thicker towards the outer edge. Be sure to go tip to tip on your eye. This elongates your eye and adds to the lift effect. I also love going in the top waterline for greater density. It really works. Lastly, for the most part, I keep liner to the top line and only minimally on the bottom line. This is really important as adding too much liner below your eyes can pull your eye down and make you look more tired, which we don't want. Now we're on to eyeshadow. First, I fill in her brows and add a little brow gel just to give it up more of a lift. Then I reach for my secret weapon, which is cream eyeshadows. Cream eyeshadows are known for being long-lasting, very, very easy to apply, and wonderful for mature skin. On Kiki, I'm using a color called Vintage Mauve, close to her lash line, and another color called True Neutral in her inner lid. She has really big eyes, and I want to make them glamorous but soft. Using a soft blender brush, I can blend it out and really add depth and contour. Lastly, I love using a cream blush for a soft glow. So I'm placing the shade called Coral about 1 to 2 fingers from beneath the eye and about 2 fingers from the nose. And then I make an upward stripe and then blend it with my fingers, or I use circular motions with the brush, and it makes it just a soft, luminescent glow. Our natural lip line fades as we age. It's such a bummer. It causes lipstick to bleed and it disappears really fast, right? So using a lip liner that matches your natural lip color to redefine the edges and make your lips look larger is a really good trick. Then skip the matte lipstick and opt for a hydrating satin or a soft, sort of glossy finish to give the lips a plump, healthy look. For greater staying power, toss a little powder on top of your lipstick and then do it all over again a second time. This helps it stay on longer and adds to the richness of the color. 5 simple adjustments that make a world of difference. So which of these tricks are you going to try for your next big event? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.